percentage of the wattles, lever some of them up. Just cleaned this track up a bit today. Bit of a woo boy here, and I'll just shoot the overflow over there, out into the grass. I'll spin the track around and come back and just do that. I'm going to leave it at that. Look at this, huh? How good is it? How good is it? Snow Neck in the southern boundary of Macquarie Ridge. Snow Neck out.